Hey y'all, it's Mary, and Smudge is coming up. I have my advent calendars. So y'all, I have the Macy's calendar, I have a chocolate calendar from Aldi's, and I have a cat calendar. So let's do Macy's first. It's probably what y'all would rather see first. This is such a pretty calendar. It's beautiful red and gold. And when you open it, it opens like this. Smudge. And then let me look for day 2. Okay, Smudge. Maybe we should do the cat one first. Here is day 2, and let me, it has a little, oh hey, that was easier than, okay Smudge, that was easier than yesterday. It has a little tab that I should have noticed. They all have a tab, but no, I always am challenged on how to open things. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I'm gonna have to have a little help getting it out, and then we'll see. Oh my goodness. It has this little, oh, I'm shaking the whole camera. I'm sorry, y'all. Oh my goodness sakes. Okay. All I did was flip it. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking the whole table, I guess. Okay. Anyway, here it is. I'll try to stop shaking. And it's Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex. So that is very nice. I know I've had this before, and it's a very nice lotion. This is what it looks like inside. Now, a lot of times when I've gotten it, it's just this type of a bottle instead of being in a box. So I do like that. You get a little more information. So this is a very nice little sample for travel. I think it'd be great for travel. And Smudge, do you want to come over and open your calendar? They weren't real impressed with yesterday's. Okay, let's see. This is the cat calendar. I got this at PetSmart. And number 2 is way down here. You can hear stuff going on in there. Okay, so that, I just, it has a little tab also. Oh, this is cute. Now this they might like. Yesterday was this old curly cute that they're not necessarily into. This might have some catnip in it, which they'll like. Come on, Smudge, you want to see? Look how cute that is, y'all. It's a red and white striped mouse with green ears. Smudge, you gonna come on? Here he comes. Here he comes, y'all. Come on, love. You like that? And I know that this is the kind of thing that Blue likes too, but I don't know where Blue's at. Okay, Smudge, you got that? Okay, you can have that. All right, let me move on, y'all. Might be, you know, I know y'all like to see Smudge, but oh, sit down, Smudge, okay? All right. Okay, come on, come over here, come over here. Let me get him out of the way. And then I have the chocolate calendar from Aldi's, and this is the Moser Roth brand of chocolate. This is very nice. Here's number 2, and it does have a little tab. And oh, that looks real pretty in there. Can you see it? Let's see if I can get it out. This one says that it is mascarpone truffle. Ooh, that's gonna be delicious, y'all. But I'm gonna let you go. I'm trying not to get these videos too long. Now, Smudge just had it in his mouth. If y'all can, he's liking this, y'all. He likes this one. You like that, Smudge? You like that? Woo! He knocked it to the floor. Okay, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.